Nissan just recalled, if you're driving 2013 to 2015 Nissan Pathfinder for a problem with your brake lights staying on.
Oh, no, and these are newer vehicles.
Well, they are, but quite frankly, we've had them in the garage, not just Nissans. Here's the symptom, people. You get up in the morning, and your vehicle doesn't start by the way of the push button, nor can you get it out of park. Remember, the brake light switch. That's a Big Daddy doing a lot of stuff. That's like Grand Central Station for electricity distribution to all of the right places.
And it's a small little gadget.
It's not a terribly expensive fix. So if you right now are going through this where you may have a no start, now providing your battery, there are other things that can cause a no start, but on that primary voltage side of your system, that brake light switch is crucial. And we've had the phone calls. Hey, I'm at the gas station pumping up, and they can't disengage.
Right.
Now, some of these vehicles will have a manual bypass, but some may not. So if you have a 13 to 15 Pathfinder, specifically what they're saying, Susie, these are 267,000 or so Pathfinders in the U.S., which is, I guess, an expansion of a previous recall going back to 13. We need to make our brake light switches a little better, I think. I mean, they're not expensive. It takes a few minutes, but Nissan will cover that. The relay on the stop lamp switch. Remember, relay is just a little bridge. Take me voltage on this side of town, bring me over to voltage on that side of town. That's a relay. On that stop lamp switch, which is located right on that brake pedal, according to Nissan, can degrade over time. My thing is engineers need to make a better brake light switch. Or we must degrade your pay. How about that? Now, I'm the boss at Nissan. I'm in Japan. I'm going to have a sit down. You're telling me that they degrade? All right, well, that's a degradation of your paycheck. Imagine the inconvenience for a lot of folks. Yeah. So I want you to be aware of that. We'll try to get that up on our Wrench Nation Facebook. And, of course, reach out, man. You guys, Desert Car Care Chandler. If we can't help you, Chandler Dobson outside of Phoenix, we are connected, Susie, with many, many good folks across the country.
Yes, sir.